What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. I just came back after 5 hours drive and I was not going to upload a video today, but as we got a big move here on nat gas, prices pushing up, I just want to give you a quick update here so that you guys don't just wonder what to expect next and you know the exact directions what I'm personally looking at and what to expect next from here. So let's do it quickly, what to expect from here. So as mentioned yesterday that the price is ranging in this area and the breakout above and breakout below will decide the upward movement. But before that, I just want to mention my stop loss is about to hit. It still didn't hit. I'm still in a sell trade, but it is almost there. The reason I'm telling you because if I'm showing you my profits, I also want to show you my losses. I'm going to give you a quick update, but if the price slightly moves up till here, it will hit my stop loss. But stop loss is something, it needs to be there all the time that protects your account. So let's see what happens now. First, let's see on capital.com. The candle has still not closed here yet. So very important to see the close of this candle, which is very likely as this candle will close in next couple of minutes. Once this candle is closed, all you want to do, just pull back, entry, bullish, simply some more momentum you want to see, pull back and bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA. Now this could be a change of trend. Now as you can see, we have taken this entry right here, the pullback entry bullish and pullback entry bullish, which was valid on this platform above 50 EMA, pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA. So we have taken 3 entries in a row. One entry that was mentioned right here, which we entered at right here at the pullback, and that also hit your take profit. So 4 take profits, and out of that it might hit 1 stop loss. That is a part of trading, and we have a whole year ahead, and I'm sure we're gonna get some more badass trade here in nat gas and the other commodities. So very important to see the close of this candle and look for the exact same entries I've just shown you. Very simple. Now the reason I'm saying you the change of trend, as you can see, we were trending nicely in an uptrend, and if you remember, I've said that on a higher time frame I'm still bullish, and that has happened, and I was looking for the quick scalp on smaller time frame, which we had. Now if you're someone who have taken this trade, I have some clients, some members who have taken the profits, because the reason my stop loss is hit because my entry was right at the close. But someone who have entered bit higher like this, like I normally do, in that case, you take profit of 1 ATR of 100 pips has been hit. So it's totally up to you how you do your risk management. For me, this time I entered right at the close, which is totally cool. So simply look for the pullback, entry bullish in an uptrend. Now I want to show you something here. As you can see, the price started to push down short term right here, and then we had a cross. That means we now have a change of trend, and similar condition is happening right here, a short-term downtrend accumulation. Now the buyers have decided that the price of natural gas should be expensive and it should be pushing higher, and that is happening with a cross. Soon we might see a change of trend and continuation, as we were bullish throughout whole year since the day one, if you follow me from last whole year. Now once we have a close above and once we have a cross as well, in that case we have a strong confirmation that price of nat gas will push up from here, and just look for buy trades and pullback entry bullish after this close. I'm expecting a price to at least hit the level above right here, these numbers in blue, from where I will look for some pullbacks and a continuation towards the upside. So keep an eye. Now in Nimix, I don't know what's happening here on this chart. We have got all these blue lines. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are also seeing here. It is just happening on Nimix, not on the other platforms. Do let me know if you know how to remove them. I'm gonna go and take a look after this video. So at this point here on Nimix, price is pushing up, and we are now about to get a break of this little anchor level. So once we are broken above completely, only then we are looking for the price to push higher, and we have the zone above right here, these numbers in blue, till where I'm expecting a price to head to. For now, only pullback entry bullish. Soon we are getting across, and with that, if we have a bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA, I'm gonna go long, look at the exact same entry like this. That is all we are looking at. So be patient and see how it goes, and only take your trades with conditions. Here on Aanda, we have a break already. All I want to see, some more momentum, pullback and bullish trades. That is all I'm looking at. After this accumulation, we have seen the price has broken above. We have a nice bullish candles right here. On a daily, we are getting a good bullish candle. In Golfer, we had So that shows some good bullish pressure, and price is broken above 20 EMA on daily time frame as well. So now we are only taking buy trades, and we have a change of trend from downwards to upwards. As you can see, we had a short-term move, push back up, cross, then we have a bullish moves. Same thing happening here. We have a downward moves at the minor support, accumulation, getting across, and then we might see another push up. So only taking buy trades with conditions only. Now here on gold, price hit 1.618 retracement, which is a very strong resistance level of Fibonacci tool. Now it is not a buy signal in case you are wondering, so I'm not buying gold. Now it is a valid bearish engulfer with the overbought situation. Looking at that, I'm expecting a push down from here, at least one ATR all the way from this close. Now, in ATR of this candle is $13. So $13 is like this 1-to-1 initially, and which is 1,300 pips, and or you can also manage 8 to 20 EMA. That in that case, it will become 1.7 to 1 or 1.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio. So for now, I'm not expecting a good retracement out of gold. It is not a buy signal, but if we have some more pullback above 20 or above 50 EMA, in that case, I'm going to go long again. So only buy trades, but expect a retracement, expect some short-term moves downwards, a pullback that is enough to cut your profits. And after that, bullish engulfing pattern I want to see, and I'm going to buy gold again. If we have good pullback, in that case, that would be a strongest entry condition. Small pullback above 20 EMA will be weaker entry, but can be valid. But if we have good pullback above 50 EMA, that will be a strongest entry pattern, which is my pullback entry bullish. So keep an eye, expect bearish moves, expect a push down at least $13 to $20 move here on gold. Next up we have silver. Silver is now approaching 50 EMA. We are now in a process of a pullback. Now if you are looking at this candle, that is not one of my valid pullback entry bullish. For the students, you know why is that, and the 6 rules are not met here. That is why we are skipping this entry, and now we are looking at 50 EMA. Now here on 50 EMA, if the price forms bullish engulfer, simply we're going to go long. That is all only buy trades, a breather here, exactly like this, a breather, a push up, a breather, a pullback above 50 EMA with the bullish engulfer. I'm going to go long from here. So only buy trades, but look for the valid buy condition. Aggressive entry has been triggered, and the take profit is something till this resistance area, which is right here, these numbers in blue. So keep an eye and keep looking for buy trades with a signal if you're looking at the pullback entry bullish. Finally here on crude oil. Crude oil has given us a fake out yesterday, and as you can see, the price came back in a range mode. So for now we are below 50 EMA. As you can see, the price never closed above this range. We have a bullish engulfer on a daily, but that's not a valid buy signal. So we might get a push down rejection and a continuation towards the upside again if the candle fails to close above this range. Now crude oil is also using this trend line. As you can see, we have 1, 2 with bullish engulfer, 3 with bullish engulfer rejection here on crude oil, and using this trend line nicely to push the price higher slightly. So we have a very likely chance the price will break above these highs. It is just a discretion, the way I do my discretionary trading. I have not entered right here, but it is something you can use trend line for your entries. For example, if you have a double bottom A rejection with a bullish engulfer, that can be a buy signal. But for the pullback entry, it must break above these highs to continue to push up in a trend. Simply, if we have one more break above 50 EMA, above this high, then a pullback and a bullish engulfer, that is all I'm looking at for my buy trades. If we have broken below these lows, only then I'm taking sell trades for crude oil. I'm not selling crude oil as long as price is above these previous low. I'm just looking for buy trades once we've broken above these highs with a pullback entry bullish. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me in a YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.